Hey guys, Barney here from LegendX. I want to show you my vlog setup because it's probably the second most question I get asked is what equipment, how to get into vlogging, do I go full scale, small scale? This is what I use and I'll chat to you guys about a few little tips and tricks as we go. So we're going to round up starting off over here. All right, let's get stuck into it. One of the most fanciest bit of equipment, ultra lightweight, reasonably simple to use. The Mavic 2 Zoom is what we got here. Remember, these things do crash and they're expensive. It's not a military drone, so it won't cost you 30 years of income, but it will cost you a couple of weeks. But if you want that really cool cinematic displays, you get a visual here. Some of the cheaper ones are harder to operate. This is mint, and a lot of the other guys I work with also use a very similar setup. So drones are cool, they pack down pretty easy, don't break them, they're really expensive. So that's a simple thing. Don't use a lot of it because mostly I use a bit of other equipment. So one of the biggest things I use, phone, is actually 100% the largest operator I use. I've got a couple of different stands, a couple of different setups, gimbals, but absolutely my phone is about 50% of what I do, and heck, we'll do it now, hey? Let's just get straight into a live feed. Takes me about 2 seconds to get going. So video, selfie mode, and chat, boom. Do it with confidence, guys, and that's all I really do. A gimbal does give you, with a phone, shaky cam barn, a really well set up gimbal. This is a decent one. It will operate and just give you that streamlining. Now, lately I've been getting into some GoPro stuff, which is a bit more fun. So let's talk about mounts first. RAM mount. That is how I do a lot of the videos in the car. I literally use a RAM mount for my phone. Simple, brilliant, strong. I think they're about 100 bucks, seriously, they're not too dear. Car GoPro mount. Little tip, don't be driving while on your phone, but when you're off-roading or in a lifestyle situation, it's normally okay, but it is a little dangerous to be operating your phone while driving. Pull over. Never forget spares. When you break it, you need another one. Tripods, get a pretty decent tripod. What you can't see now is there's a DSLR filming me on a different tripod, but most tripods, if you get a half decent one, this one's, I think about 60 bucks. Phone attachment, DSLR attachment, GoPro attachments, you can get them. Pretty simple, particularly in interviewing. Pretty good to have, so again, go the phone. One of the things that people don't know is get you out of trouble stuff. Like now, I'm just working through a script, how do I do that? Mavic Pro Zoom, Rogue mounts, all these sort of things here, notepad. Before you start vlogging, make a plan, write down a plan. I'm normally good for 4 things. After that, it's wing it, baby. I got no idea what I'm doing. Pen and paper, zip ties. I probably use zip ties more than I like to care to admit because things break and I got to attach stuff. So zip ties, knife, pretty simple thing. You can protect yourself from wild animals, or you can use it to cut zip ties. All right, something I've been really wanting to do. I've used GoPros heaps for B-roll, wide angle, extra shots, flexing shots, but this is what I've been using. Honestly, the new GoPro Hero 7 is amazing. Most of the blokes out there that are doing vlogging are starting to use this because the motion stability in the latest GoPro is insane. Seriously, I can be like shaky cam barn. I don't even need a gimbal on my phone, and these are incredible. That's the computer inside that. Now, a little bit funny to use, and there's some problems with the GoPro 7s with sound jacks, and they don't tell you, there's no reason, but I'm telling you, there's a couple little tricks to it, and they're brilliant. So, what is this massive contraption? So this is what I get asked all the time. What is this space age device? Okay, this is the Joby Gorilla, I think it's 3X. It is amazing. Why? I can do that. I can do this. I can get that angle. I can do whatever I want. It is super flexible, very lightweight. Now, if you guys know how to vlog, this is about 4 times the weight of your phone. I got little guns, I'm not a big muscly man. So really lightweight, super flexible. It is DSLR compatible. So what's cool about the mount here, strip it, swap it, easy. I've got a mount here, a mount there, and a mount there. On top of it is my small rig, which is just to protect it, the GoPro. So my small rig case is brilliant, very strong. It's alloy, so it's also light. Lenses, so I've got a whole bunch of attachments I can have on my gorilla mount and on my small rig. Now small rig's just a little company on eBay, you can get it. It's pretty cheap gear, really good, very strong. And let me show you some of the stuff that I like to add to it. Now, mic mounts, just slots in on top, slots in on the side. I can mount my light. I've got all these different attachments, which are really, really awesome to have. But the main thing I like about this is just how flexible, easy it is to use. I can pretty much do anything with that on almost any camera. So, all right, next. This is the Rogue mic I use the most. It is a directional, comes with a decent little filter, suspension. So as I'm running, walking, it's really cool. The other mic I like to use is what you call the Dead Cat. So it's like an absolute kills wind and other stuff. Really cool to have a couple options. Interviews, directional, outdoors, wind, noise, block sound. Now I did mention there's a slight problem with the mics and little issues with the GoPros. Mic attachments just don't exist at the moment. It's a few issues. So head down to JB or any electronic place, any camera store will go $5, $30, mounted, sorted. So pretty simple, not a lot of stress, but you can't get it from the guys at the moment. So a little frustrating really. But once I knew that, it was simple. Bit of a shout out to Jason Racing, who gave me that tip first, and I went down to JB and literally like $40, I'm sorted. That's pretty easy. Lighting. If you have bad lighting and you're doing vlogging and you're in a caravan, night, camping scenes, man, this new, so bright. The new Lume Cube, brilliant for GoPros, guys. Also at times, I'll have it just lighting up the room. I recently did a caravan shoot, lights up everything. It's pretty bright, very cool. Runs off 12 volt, brilliant. Filters, softer, gentle, better on my skin. See, probably didn't. But these filters are pretty cool, give you a different light, different feelings, and guys, I always carry tons of light. So if I'm in a caravan or something, I need to light up something here, or I'm working in camp, I always got tons of light. So a bit of a trick, guys, bring a lot of light. Another thing, now you probably noticed I'm doing a bit of a lifestyle. Hey Aaron, yeah mate, come down the hill, buddy. Yeah mate, thanks buddy. Comms are good. No comms, can't communicate over long distance. Comms is good communication. And batteries. Guys, I can't stipulate enough. When you're in the middle of nowhere and you run out of power, it sucks. Mega suck. So I've actually got 3 batteries, take a lot of AA's, AAA's, XXX's, double Z's, all the batteries I need. I take heaps of it, particularly for my GoPro. I got a really good charging setup, so I can charge 2 drones, DSLRs, camera stuff, all on my rig, which is not what it's about today. But really, really simple. Travel case, it does look good when you're traveling in the airport to have a nuclear device. Probably need to declare it's not nuclear, but it does look cool and aggressive. Mostly, it's got foam in there, and it does allow me to travel, so. Oh, so cool. But don't forget, do declare it's not nuclear, because that's a bit of a problem at the airports in Australia at the moment. So, guys, there's my setup. I got drones, I got stands, just have a crack with a phone. I've got this gorgeous device that confuses so many people. Easy to mount lights to, as I'm showing you now. I got lighting, flexible, mics, it's all on the go, guys. So there's plenty of different options you can do with this. It really depends what you want, but that is pretty good. So for all this gear here, guys, it is going to set you back a bit. Start with your phone, slowly step up, but we're not talking about tens of thousands of dollars, guys, and we do have a pretty good production. So that is what Barney uses. You guys, what you want to do, let me know in the comments below. Any tips that I said that you like, anything else that you want to know, I'll comment, reply. I can give you costings, anything, ask in the comments below. Don't forget to link the bell, the whistle, follow me on Instagram. Please don't rock up my house, but I will answer comments below. So guys, that is my blog setup.